This multimeter has no test probes. So today, I'm making my own. Let's open it. Here's the positive connection. And here's COM. 2 wires. Strip. And now, let's connect them. Positive. COM. Nice and secure. Now let's close it. Everything is back together. But does it work? Let's find out. Come on. Yes, it works. Okay, one more test. And again. No original probes. No problem. If you want more crazy DIY experiments, subscribe.